नमस्ते. खुश रहो बेटिया. I Zabian Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. In today's session, we will see the information, what is information, and what is information security, and what is the risk of information, what could be the risk related to information, an introduction to ISO for information technology, and what could be the user responsibilities to protect our information. Okay, so let us start with the information. Information, what is information? Information is an asset which, like other important business asset, has value to an organization and consequently needs to be suitably protected according to ISO 27002-2055. Okay, regarding this, information can be created, stored, destroyed, information can be processed, information can be transmitted, information can use corrupted, lost, stolen, printed or written on paper, stored electronically, transmitted by post or using electronic means, shown on corporate videos, displayed, published on web, verbal or spoken in conversation. Whatever from the information text or means by which it is shared or stored, it should always be appropriately protected. And it everything we do that is called information. Okay, so what is information security? Our main motive of this session is how to protect our information, how to secure our information. So the quality or state of being secured to be free from danger. Security is achieved using several strategies. Security is achieved using several strategies simultaneously or used in combination with one another. These are the strategy by which we can secure our information. Security is nothing something you buy, it is something you do. So what is information security? Some other points related to this is the architecture where an integrated combination of appliances, system and solutions, software, alarms and vulnerability scans working together, monitor 24 by 7, having people, process, technology, policies, procedures. Security is for PPT and not only for appliances or devices. It is all about your information. So here are some uh, PPT concept of people, process, and technology. That means people in organization staff, and in process means business processes, and technology means technology used by the organization. These all could be protected. Then you can save your information. Okay, so people means who we are. People who use or interact with the information include shareholders, owners, management, employees, business partners, service providers, contractors, customer, clients, regulators. What could be the process? Process, what we do, that is called process. The process refer to work practices or workflow. Process are the repeatable step to accomplish business objectives. Typical process in our IT infrastructure could include like help desk service management, incident reporting and management, change request process, request fulfillment, access management, identity management, service label and third party service management, IT procurement process. These all are the process. Okay, and technology, what we use in organization, that is called technology to improve our work. So in technology, here are your network infrastructure. What could be your network infrastructure? So here we have to give the attention in our network infrastructure, and what could be used in network infrastructure, that is like your cabling, data, voice network and equipment, telecommunication services, Okay, so what is your VPNs and virtual environment, how to use remotely or services, what is the what kind of you your organization use the connectivity, wireless connectivity, what is the server computers and associated storage devices, what kind of operating software for server computers is used, communication equipments and related hardware. So these all are internet and internet connection. We have to take care of all these three, all these uh, mm, object objects. Okay, technology in technology, or this is your network infrastructure, but in application level of what kind of application software we used in our organization, like your finance and asset system, including accounting package, inventory management, HR system, assessment and reporting system, your software as a service instead of service, software as a package or custom made product, etc. That means in nowadays we are switch on cloud computing, and we organization uses the as per their requirement. And we use the SaaS service, that means software system as a service. It means uh, we have a uh, we have a structure, and you can say that the fulfill application is available on internet through cloud computing, like your Gmail. We use the Gmail without uses your resources, like we got 15 GB storage in this application. We can use to change our data from one location to another location, one system to another system, we can say that without any interference, right? So what kind of your organization use the application, that is very important. Okay, physical security components like your CCTV cameras, clock in system, biometrics, electricity power backup, environmental management system, humidity control, ventilation, air conditioning, fire control system. It's all about comes under the technology. Access devices like your desktop computers, laptop, ultra mobile laptops, and PDAs, thin client computing, digital cameras, printers, scanners, photographers. Okay, so how to protect this information? Okay, so protect information from a range of threats, ensure business continuity, minimizes financial loss, optimize return and investment, increase business opportunity. Business survival depends on information security. So we have to take care of all these things, right? So, according to ISO, it defines the three information security: confidentiality, integrity, and availability is the main objective of information security. So, like, what is the confidentiality? Confidentiality means ensuring the information is accessible only to those authorized to have access. In confidential, you can say that the confidential data can used by only the particular authorized person, right? So it could be safe. Integrity means safeguarding the secure accuracy and completeness of information and processing method. Integrity means the information cannot be changed by any other person without admin permission. Okay, in integrity, a hacker hacks the data and change according to their benefits. So this could be important to save. Okay, availability means ensuring that authorized users have access to information and associated assets when required. That means whenever you use your authorized, you can say that your website and any resources, then there the resources should be available. That is called availability. So security handles, you can say that security handles these thing of organization, like your reputation loss, financial loss, intellectual property loss, legislative breaches leading to legal action, cyber law, loss of customer confidence, business interpretation cost. That means the if any information is leaked by any organization, and you can say that any website which is hacked by hacker, then you have to lost your reputation, financial loss, intellectual property loss. So we have to take care of this, right? So information security organization problem rather than IT problem. More than 70% of threats are over the internal. More than 60% culprits are first time frauders. Biggest risk is people, biggest asset is people. Social engineering is a major threat. More than two-thirds express their inability to determine whether my systems are currently compromised. So in next session we will see what is risk and what is the prevention of these kind of threats and risk. Right. So this is all about this session. This digital version 2.0 is provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. If any query, please comment below. I will meet you in next session. Thank you, class.